Like standing inside of a dark, full-powered washing machine. This is what the conditions looked like here on the Kii Peninsula as Typhoon Lan came on shore here in Japan overnight from Monday night into Tuesday morning. I'm meteorologist Robert, but the video's from videographer James Reynolds. He was actually out here in Wakayama Prefecture where the brunt of this storm system really took place. See, the center circulation was just offshore. It's around about 2 to 3 a.m. You had that right front quadrant, the mountains right in there, really squeezing out that moisture and just creating absolutely intense and heavy amount of total precipitation in some of these areas. Look at this, actually. Wakayama saw 115-kilometer-per-hour winds, but one location in Iwate, 593 millimeters in just 48 hours. We had another location in Wakayama Prefecture of 512 millimeters in 48 hours. I mean, the winds are one thing, which are just around, severe tropical storm, Cat 1 type strength, but this rainfall is, we expected, the main issue. See some of these channels really hyping up the winds, but you can tell if they don't know what they're talking about if they didn't really mention the rains all too much here, because that's definitely the big issue. From there, even further inland to Osaka to Kyoto, around Nagoya, it's still going to be the precipitation, those sudden river level rises. So that's definitely going to be the big thing we're going to watch over the course of the next 24 hours with this storm. As it moves off towards the north, eventually going to kick off towards the Sea of Japan, getting wrapped up with a passing trough and then hooking off there towards Hokkaido. The good news, once it hits that trough, it is going to move ahead pretty quickly through the day here on Wednesday, rapidly clearing conditions behind it, and eventually over towards Thursday, just passing towards the west of Hokkaido, out there towards Sakhalin as well. Take a little bit of a closer look here. Really have our storm system kind of kicking over across western areas of Honshu, pulling away from some of those hardest hit areas there on the Kii Peninsula through our Tuesday afternoon, heading into the evening. And then by Wednesday morning, still got some coastal showers, but still some of that moisture wrapping in behind it. Tokyo staying on the dry side, seeing still even today some channels hyping up the fact that Tokyo could get hit, but really the worst of it further towards the west of the Kanto Plain. And then heading into Thursday afternoon, Sapporo, some passing showers there for you, but still the main issue continues to be the rainfall. See the video once again. It is absolutely nasty out here across these hardest hit areas. Take a look at the flyover, passing showers into Naha, Kumamoto on the sunny side there in Kyushu, while Osaka into Nagoya. Of course, scattered showers still lingering here on your Wednesday, but cloudy skies into Tokyo. Temperature still remaining into the 30s as well. All right, I know we got a lot of people that watch from the Philippines. I got a separate update talking about what's happening out here for you, but of course we're still watching kind of the inflow with the enhanced showers, especially for the west coast of Visayas down towards Mindanao and southwestern Luzon. So I'm going to have a totally separate update on that. But if you like these updates and you are out here in Japan, please let me know. Put it down in the comment section down below where you're located. Also, if you want to support the channel, like and subscribe, or you can check out our Patreon. That definitely really helps this continuing to keep going. But of course, number one thing, as always, is thanks for watching, and please stay safe out there.